Mount Eave-mounted security cameras between 8 and 12 feet high for the best balance of coverage and concealment. Place cameras on eaves where they are protected from weather and provide broad views of walkways, driveways, and entry points. Start by selecting a vandal-resistant model with a 90-degree field of view for wide coverage or a varifocal lens if you need adjustable zoom and tighter framing. For most homes, fixed focal cameras at 8 to 12 feet catch faces and license plates when aimed correctly. Route power and network cabling through the soffit so wiring is hidden and sheltered, and use conduit or grommets where the cable passes through to prevent chafing. Secure the camera base to structural blocking in the eave rather than thin fascia. If no backing exists, add a small mounting block and seal the edges with exterior-grade silicone to stop water intrusion. Use tamper-resistant screws and a short security cover plate to deter removal, and plan the camera tilt to capture the primary approach and any secondary access points without pointing directly down to lose context. Test day and night images, adjust exposure and motion zones to reduce false alerts from trees or street traffic, and label both camera location and cable runs in your home network map for easier maintenance. Common problems include wiring left exposed along the eave, which invites tampering and water damage, so tuck lines into the soffit cavity, waterproof junctions with silicone and strain relief, and use paintable conduit to keep the install discreet. Another frequent issue is improper angle or height that either misses faces or captures too much ground. Correct this by mounting between 8 and 12 feet and tilting the camera to frame the face zone roughly 4 to 8 feet from the camera, then fine-tune while viewing live. A third concern is choosing a camera that cannot withstand reach or impact from ladders and tools. Pick a rated vandal-resistant housing, fasten to solid blocking, and use tamper-resistant hardware to make removal difficult. BigHomeProjects.com connects homeowners with local contractors and helps contractors find work by letting us post projects, receive inquiries, and participate in our discussion community. We host a community where members share installation experiences, product recommendations, and troubleshooting tips related to eave-mounted camera placement.